Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a table in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Microsoft Excel worksheet containing the data you want to add into your table. Now highlight the cells you want to add to your table. Now click on Insert, then click on Table. If your cells include headings, check the My Table has headers box. Then click OK. Your cells will now be turned into a table. On the top right corner of the screen under the Table section, you will see a series of colored designs. Choose the one you like and you will see your table change. There you go. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.